Daily markup for Euro USD for Thursday the 12th of October. This is the daily chart. We've had a break of structure and the daily is bearish. However, after a break of structure, we can expect a pullback to start, and we are, let me just have these on. So we are currently, we've had a chalk, which indicates that probably the daily pullback has already kind of started, and we can expect price to kind of pull into maybe this zone or maybe a little higher, and then continue downwards. So my outlook is going to be bullish, going up into this zone as far as the daily is concerned. Then we can look at the 4-hour. The 4-hour is like this. We've had I haven't marked this as a 4-hour break of structure. So we now have a 4-hour break of structure, after which we can expect a pullback. So I'm thinking that, prices on the H4, it's bullish, and we can expect price to maybe pull up into this zone, which is embedded inside the daily, and then kind of pull down and go further. Or if we come into the daily, we continue further down to continue the daily bearish trend. But definitely bullish is what I'm looking at. So we've had a daily bullish chalk. The H4, we've had a break of structure, and the H4 has turned bullish. If we look at the M15, this is where we are. So this is my, break of structure over here. You could mark this also as a break of structure, and thereafter we can mark this as a break of structure. But currently I'm just looking at possibly this as, this is like a significant pullback. So once we break above this, then I would think that we've had a bullish break of structure. So yes, the M15 is definitely bullish. The H4 is bullish. We've had a break of structure. The daily is bearish, but I think the pullback has started. So therefore, the daily is also internally bullish. So London opens in another 4 minutes. I would be interested in looking for longs. If we look at our sessions, this is what the Asian session is. So probably we'll have like a sweep of liquidity or something like that before we pull up further, but I'll just leave it at this. We also had something very interesting that's happened. So this is ChatGPT, and ChatGPT now has vision going for it. And what I did was I gave it the daily, the H4 and the M15 charts, and said that, why don't you tell me what do you think? And I said, okay, please go ahead and use supply, demand, support, resistance, ICT, whatever. And this is what the analysis is, which is pretty cool. It says on the daily, the pair seems to be to have been in a downtrend, but recently started to show a recovery, which is in line with our pullback. A noticeable higher low was formed, signaling potential reversal of retracement. On the 4-hour chart analysis, it says on this time frame, the pair is showing some bullish momentum. We've had a bullish break of structure. It has been making higher highs and higher lows, which is a classic sign of an uptrend. We can also see a recent bullish impulse move followed by a series of smaller retracements, suggesting buyers are in control, which is pretty damn accurate. And on the M15, we have the pair seems to be in consolidation, and if we really look at it, this is all kind of consolidatory action. It's not really going anywhere. So it says it's in a consolidation phase, possibly accumulating for the next move. It's forming a series of minor support and resistance areas, which might play a crucial role during the London session. Nice. So conclusion is that, so daily suggests bullish retracement or reversal. That is what is happening. The 4-hour supports the bullish momentum. The M15 shows consolidation, which might break during the London session. So given the analysis, the bias leans towards bullish side for the London session if you decide to go long. Entry would be, look out for a break or any other bullish confirmation, like a bullish engulfing candle or a bounce from a support zone. So, something that's engulfing, or if we bounce from a support, so probably, we could mark this as some kind of a support. Price has come here, it's not really, so this area is somewhat of support. So if price comes here, you can definitely look for longs from here. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Stop loss before the most recent swing low on the M15 or any other technical level that suits the risk tolerance. So if I was to go for a long from, let's say here, I would cover all this because this could be, all swept. And yes, that's what I would look at. Take profit. The initial target can be set at the next significant resistance level on the H4 chart. Given the 1:3, 1:4 risk to reward ratio, adjust the targets accordingly. So I would look at possibly, taking this out for sure. And do we have anything on the left which could possibly, actually you could go right up to here if you really want, but maybe up to these levels, which is almost like a 1:7 kind of a thing. So maybe you want to cover this a little more. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So yeah, and it says it's essential to monitor key economic news. We've got today we do have news. We have 130. Oh, it's CPI, unemployment. So we need to be really careful. Additionally, use appropriate risk management to ensure the preservation of capital. This analysis is based solely on technicals. Always consider other factors. Yeah, so that's about it, and I think it's pretty decent. So London opens now, in fact just about now, and we can look at playing longs and going further up. That's it.